Okay, so we just got in a brand new box of connectors, restocking our supplies. Let's see what we got. Oh look, SMA connectors. These are so cool. You can screw these into your Woshin or your bow thing. And let me show you this. I sell a lot of these. This screws into your antenna connector, and this part, the base, anchors against the body of your radio, so this isn't flexing when your cable moves or when your antenna moves. That's really great. We like those. Reducers for PL259s. Oh, these are cool pieces to have, especially if you have a Heath kit or an old Drake around. This is SO239 to male RCA. That solves a lot of problems. You wouldn't believe the number of these that we sell. These are large format nuts for bulkheads, like your pass-through panels or your window pass-through panels. More adapters. This is the same as the first black one I showed you. It's got SMA on the bottom and a BNC female. Ferrules. These are cool. These date back to the origins of CB. They're used on a lot of HF rigs too. This screws into a nut or a mount. Then a whip antenna slides into that hole. The set screw stops it from coming out. And there are a lot of people who use these in mobile operations. Crimp connectors, SO239 to male B and C. Well, those are very popular. This is a stud for a mount, so you can adapt your antenna mount, your mobile mount, to SO230 to PL259. More crimp connectors. Those are end connectors. And these are crimp dies for the crimping tool we sell. There's 4 different size connectors. So that's what came in the mail today. We are fully stocked up. We're not out of anything. So if you need any connectors, here's the pile. Give us a call. We've got about 150 other options to go along with these. Merry Christmas.